Rob Child here. I want to let you know about an exciting new separate podcast audio thriller series I'm launching. It's called Special Ops, and the link is in this announcement's description. The first 2 episodes of Season 1, Rogue Soldier, drop July 25th. I hope you can check it out and definitely subscribe. Here's more about Rogue Soldier.
In a world where loyalty is tested and the truth lies buried beneath a web of deception, one man will venture into the shadows, his past shrouded in mystery, his actions driven by betrayal. From Emmy-nominated director Robert Child, author of gripping military tales, comes a new heart-pounding audio thriller series, Rogue Soldier. Meet Thomas Stone, a once dedicated Special Forces Marine, who finds himself torn between duty and vengeance when he's cast aside and thrust into the clandestine world of CIA Black Ops. As a covert operative, he unravels a sinister government cover-up, one that has cost the lives of countless American soldiers. Forced into a perilous mission to erase an archive of damning secrets at Walter Reed National Military Hospital, Stone makes a life-altering decision that changes the game forever. Abandoning the mission and taking hostages to secure his own survival, he becomes the hunted, marked for elimination by the very agency he once served. Enter Jake Hamilton, Stone's former commander and a man torn between duty and friendship. As he races against time to negotiate an end to the crisis, he uncovers Stone's dark secret, a revelation that leaves him questioning everything he thought he knew. Loyalty to the country clashes with the pursuit of justice, leading to an electrifying confrontation where the fate of a nation hangs in the balance. Join us on a pulse-pounding journey through deception and redemption in Rogue Soldier. Unravel the threads of conspiracy, explore the depths of sacrifice, and experience the ultimate test of loyalty. Coming July 25th to your favorite podcast platform. Subscribe now and be ready to dive into the heart-stopping world of Special Ops. Rogue Soldier, an 8-part audio thriller series that will leave you on the edge of your seat. Produced by RSC Media Group.